Hello friends, welcome to my channel Java for Beginners from Go for eLearning. In this video, we will discuss about the Java inputs and outputs. Java input and outputs is used to process the input and produce the output. Java uses the concept of stream to make input-output operation fast. What is a stream? A stream carries data from one place to another place. It is like a water pipe which carries water from one place to another place. A stream can carry data from keyboard to memory, or from memory to printer, or from memory to a file. The java.io package contains all the classes required for input and output operations, and all the classes are classified into two basic categories, that is input stream and output stream. Basically, there are two types of streams, input stream and output stream. What is input stream? Input stream are those streams which received or read data coming from some source. And what is output stream? Output stream are those streams which send or write data to some destination. Now let's try to understand all those things in more detail. There is system class which is found in java.lang package, and it has three fields. All these three fields represent some type of stream. System.in represents input stream object, which by default represents input device, that is keyboard. Means keyboard is represented by a field in, which is present in system class. Next is System.out. System.out represents print stream object, which by default represents standard output device, that is monitor, and it is used to display normal messages and result. And third one is System.err. This field also represents print stream object, which by default represents monitor. It is used to display error messages. So what is the difference between System.out and System.err? System.out is used to display normal messages and results, but System.err is used to display error messages. So this is all about these three fields which is present in system class. Okay. Now to accept data from the keyboard, we use System.in. Okay. So first we need to connect the keyboard to an input stream object. Here we can use InputStreamReader that can read the data from the keyboard. So in this statement we are creating InputStreamReader object and connecting the keyboard, that is System.in, to it. Now our data reach to InputStreamReader. Then we need to connect InputStreamReader to BufferedReader, which is another input type of stream. And we are using BufferedReader because this method is used to read the data more properly, which is coming from the stream. So for reading the data properly, here we are creating BufferedReader object BR and connecting the InputStreamReader object OBJ to it. Now we will combine these two steps and we will rewrite in a single statement like as BufferedReader BR equal new BufferedReader, and inside this we are writing the new InputStreamReader System.in. So our data reached to BufferedReader. Now we have to read the data coming from the keyboard using two methods, read and readLine, which is available in BufferedReader class. What is read method? Read method we are using to accept a single character from the keyboard, and readLine method is used to accept a string from the keyboard. So in this way we can read data from the keyboard Now let's take some examples for different data types. For example, if we want to accept a single character from the keyboard, then we need to call read method, as we already discussed, like this: char ch equal br dot read method. Here br is BufferedReader class object. Okay. If we want to accept a string from the keyboard, then we need to call readLine method like this: string str equal br dot readLine method. Now for accepting the integer value from the keyboard, we need to do like this. First, we should accept the integer number from the keyboard as a string using readLine method. Then this should be converted into an integer by using parseInt method of integer class as like this. Then above two statements will be combined and we will rewrite the statement like this: int n equal integer dot parseInt and parameter is br dot readLine. Similarly, for float, double, byte, short, long and boolean values, we need to do in this way. Okay, understand? Suppose if we want to accept different type of inputs at a time in a single line, then what we have to do? For that, we will use StringTokenizer class of java.util package. What is StringTokenizer? StringTokenizer is useful to break a string into smaller pieces called tokens. Now let's see how it works. Okay, first we'll receive a string str from the keyboard which contains different types of inputs like string str equal br dot readLine. Assume that the inputs are separated by a commas. Okay, now pass this string to StringTokenizer object so that it will be broken into pieces wherever a comma is found like this. Then we will collect the individual tokens from the str using next token method of StringTokenizer class in this way: string token equal st dot next token. Now we have a tokens. So these individual tokens represents the different type of inputs given, and these tokens can be converted into corresponding data type and can be used in the program. Understood? So this is all about reading the inputs of different data types. After reading the data from the keyboard, we will do some logic based on our requirement, and after we will display the result to the monitor using System.out.println or System.out.print method. What is the difference between these two methods? Print line method print these strings first and move the cursor to a new line, to a next line, and print method prints the string but does not move the cursor to a next line. Understand? So this is all about input and output. I hope you understand the concepts of Java input and output, and I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.